Laser Spray Marathon. One more unique innovation from Driptech. A breakthrough in rainpipe technology. Its maximum permissible running length is an incredible 100 meter. It can be laid in the field for up to 100 meter from the submain. Yes, you heard it absolutely right. It is 100 meter. It irrigates 3 meter on each side, that is total 6 meter, up to 100 meter length, uniformly. Leaves no dry patch. Longer running length and wider coverage mean massive saving in drip system cost. These are illustrative layout of irrigation system for 1 hectare with laser spray marathon and ordinary rain pipe. You can see that in the laser spray marathon system, the main line is much shorter. Sub-main line is also shorter. Much lesser number of valves and end cap. Finally, the saving in spray pipes. The saving in different components has been summarized in this table. This is for 1 hectare. Larger the plot, more is the saving. Fewer valves mean less labor for operation. Finally, comfort in operation. Each valve covers a larger area which reduces frequent operation, improving farmers' convenience.
My plot of ginger is 100 meter long and Driptech laser spray marathon works effectively across this entire length. That's why I chose it. It saved me the cost of additional submain lines, valves, and other fittings. I have to operate lesser number of valves, which is more convenient. As it provides uniform irrigation across the entire farm, I have noticed better growth of crop.